Meantime, back here at home, valley fever killed 6 people in San Luis Obispo County in 2018. That's according to the Department of Public Health. As KSBY Daybreak anchor Brooke Martell explains, local scientists are now working to develop a vaccine for this life-threatening disease.
The fungus that valley fever comes from grows really well in soil in dry and arid areas like California and Arizona. Dr. John Howard says right now there's no fungal vaccine on the market to prevent contracting valley fever, but he's trying to change that.
The disease is worse than it sounds. What starts with a fever, cough, headache, or other flu-like symptoms can oftentimes be misdiagnosed or lay dormant.
We have a lot of people who can become infected. We have people that die almost every year of valley fever.
Zoe Sunderland nearly fell into that category after she was diagnosed with valley fever in Visalia in 1992.
I actually started getting headaches, and to the point of not controlled by any kind of pain medications.
The aftermath brought on serious complications to her health. 8 brain surgeries and nearly 30 years of treatment later, Sunderland says she is still experiencing chronic pain.
What I'm getting now is the after effect of the damage to my spinal cord and my brain.
Since 2016, at least 4 people have died from valley fever each year in San Luis Obispo County.
If we look at valley fever or fungal vaccines in total, there are none today.
Dr. John Howard is the president of Applied Biotechnology Institute in San Luis Obispo. This is one of 3 labs in the country working together to create a valley fever vaccine.
The 3 groups we've already shown now that our methods work really well in small animals.
Howard says he plans to offer the vaccine as an injectable and an oral tablet, but in the long term move toward an orally administered vaccine.
So what we're doing now is trying to get ready to prepare all the preclinical work that the FDA requires to get into a human clinical trial.
That process could take 1 to 2 years, but until the FDA approves a vaccine, getting tested for the disease is your first step toward healing.
And we recommend that you get tested after at least 4 weeks to make sure that the test reliably detects valley fever.
As for Sunderland, while most of her life has been dedicated to fighting illnesses brought on by this disease, her struggles are in turn providing strength.
If the only thing I can contribute at this point is helping other people with this illness, this is what I think I lived for.
A lot of work and preparation is still going into creating the vaccine, Dr. Howard says. In the best case scenario, the vaccine could be offered in 3 to 5 years. Back to you.
And health officials say with all of the rain, they are expecting a higher number of cases of valley fever in the upcoming fall and winter seasons. If you've had a lingering cough for at least 3 weeks, it is recommended you ask your doctor to be tested for valley fever.